In this quick video, I want to show you how to set the kitchen timer on any Mainstays microwave oven. It's fairly simple to do, and this is also known as the Walmart brand microwave. So what you want to do is simply hit the kitchen timer button right here. You hit it once, and then you set how long you want the timer to be. You can go up to like 99 hours and 99 seconds. So for example, if we want to do 5 minutes, you could just simply do kitchen timer, hit that once, and then do 500, and then what you want to do is you want to click start plus 30 seconds. So basically the start button, and then it will immediately start the timer. If you wanted to do, let's say, 20 seconds, you just simply hit the kitchen timer, go to 0, and then hit start 20 seconds. Also, just a little note, you can lock microwave, a Mainstays microwave, by holding down the stop cancel button for 5 seconds, and that will lock it, and then vice versa, you can unlock it by holding the stop cancel button.